Okay, so we're in Project 1.4 Excel, and if we take a look at this first item that number 9, everything else up to 9 you've gotten done. So 9A, B, C, D, E, F, all good. Go to G. So B17 through F17 in the January. So if we look at this B17 through F17, accounting with no decimals. But look, there's 2 decimals for those numbers. So to correct it, all you're going to do is decrease the decimal 2 times so that you have the accounting style, and then you've reduced the decimals. So that's what you missed there. Auto fit. Okay, column F is not approximately 9 points wide. And I suspect that this is because you had the decimals. So once you fix the decimals, if you come back here between F and G and double click, there we go, it sized it. And I suspect because you had 0.00, it made F wider than it needed to be. So if you do those 2 things, I think 9 will be done. So let's take a look at 10. In the right header section, insert scene. Okay, center the worksheet horizontally. Okay, so to center, we're going to come here to page layout and then get to page setup, and on our margins, so where you set your margins, you want to center horizontally. So I can see right here you did not center horizontally. So that is in your page setup where you go to margins, click that center horizontally, and you're going to be good with that one. All right, so let's see what 11 is. 11's done. So really that's it. Those are the 3 mistakes. Decimal point, get rid of them in this total row on January, resize column F, and then go to page layout, margins, and horizontally center it. All right, let me know if you have any questions.